Have you ever caught yourself wasting hours on repetitive digital tasks that could easily be handled by a machine? If you are still manually scheduling emails, writing basic content, or sifting through data, you are already behind. Today, I am going to unveil 10 tasks you should absolutely be outsourcing to AI in 2025. These are not futuristic fantasies. These are real tools that are already transforming workflows, saving time, and boosting productivity right now. Let us begin. They prioritize your inbox, write contextual replies, and summarize threads. You no longer need to live in your inbox. Task 1. Email management instead of manually sorting, replying, and writing emails. Use tools like Superhuman or Shortwave AI. Task 2. Meeting notes and summaries. They take notes, highlight action items, and even generate follow-up emails. You focus on engaging, not typing. Let Fireflies AI, Otter AI, or Fathom attend your meetings virtually. Task 3. Content generation, blog posts, product descriptions. Add copy tools like Jasper. Copy tools like Canva, AI, Adobe, Firefly, or Designs. AI creates stunning graphics with just a prompt. No Photoshop required. AI or even ChatGPT with custom instructions can produce content faster than any freelancer, and often more cost-effectively. These platforms turn raw data into insightful, readable summaries instantly. Task 4. Video editing and repurposing. Tools like Buffer AI, Flick, and Okoya do it all. You can manage multiple platforms with one dashboard, guided by machine intelligence. Stop spending hours trimming videos. Tools like Pictory, Vidyo AI, or Opus Clip can cut long videos into social-ready shorts. Add captions and generate thumbnails automatically. Task 5. Graphic design. Need YouTube thumbnails, Instagram carousels, or presentation slides? Task 6. Data analysis and reporting. Teal, Kickresume AI, and ChatGPT resume builders can personalize applications. Write cover letters and tailor your resume to job listings all in minutes. Instead of crunching numbers manually, use MonkeyLearn powered by with AI integrations. Or Narrative by. Task 7. Social media management. Scheduling posts, generating captions, analyzing engagement. Task 8. Calendar scheduling and time blocking with tools like Motion, Reclaim AI, or Clockwise. Your calendar becomes an autonomous assistant, rescheduling meetings, blocking focus time, and preventing burnout automatically. Task 9. Customer support. AI chatbots like Tidio AI Chat Fuel or Zendesk AI now handle Tier 1 queries 24/7, whether you are running an e-commerce store or a digital agency. AI reduces customer wait time and workload. Task 10. Resume optimization and job applications looking for work or freelance gigs. Here is the truth. You should not be doing everything yourself. In 2025, your time is too valuable to waste on tasks that artificial intelligence can handle faster, cheaper, and sometimes better. The smartest professionals and entrepreneurs are no longer working harder. They are working with AI. Outsourcing is no longer just for teams. With these AI tools, you can scale like a company while operating solo. If you are ready to take your productivity to the next level, start experimenting with these tools today. Even adopting 3 or 4 can drastically reduce your workload. And if this helped you, consider subscribing because here at Byte2Bank, we help you turn time-saving tools into wealth-building strategies.